Hello, dear students. Today we solve quadratic equation practice set 2.4. Question 1 is given as compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of a, b, c. First example is x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore we write here as a is equal to 1, a square, coefficient of a square is 1, then b is equal to minus 7 bx, and then c is equal to 5. Second example is 2m square minus 5m minus 5. Here compare this equation with comparing this equation, the equation with general form of quadratic equation, that is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore here we write as a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to minus 5. Third example is y square is equal to 7y. Here compare this equation with the general form of quadratic equation, that is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have to change this equation as here written as y square is equal to 7y. We can write it this equation as also y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. Therefore here compare this equation with a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we write as a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to 0. Then after that we solve question number 2. Solve using formula. Here quadratic equations are given. First equation is as x square plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution. Here we also write equation x square plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we get a is equal to 1, coefficient of a square is equal to 1, then b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 5. Here we get the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to value of b is 6 square minus 4 into a 1 into 5, that is 6 square of 6 is equal to 36 minus 20, 4 into 1 into 5, that is 20 is equal to 16. Therefore we write here as b square minus 4ac is equal to 16. Then we get the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 16. Therefore x is equal to, write the formula of minus b plus minus square root under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, we write here value of b is equal to minus 7 b minus into minus 7 plus minus in bracket under root 16 upon 2a. Value of a is 1. Therefore, we write here as 7 plus minus square root of 14 is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore, we write value of x as 7 plus 4 upon 2, or x is equal to 7 minus 4 upon 2. Here we get two values of x as 11. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 2, or x is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 upon 2. Both roots are different. We get roots of quadratic equation as 11 upon 2 and second is 3 upon 2. Here we also solve example number 2, that is x square minus 3x upon 2. Compare this equation with the general equation of quadratic equation, that is a square minus bx a square plus bx अधिक plus c. Here we will repeat this equation as x square minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with general equation of quadratic equation, that is a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 2. Then we can get here value of b square minus 4ac is equal to minus b square मतलब minus 3 square minus 4 into value of 1 a is equal 1 into minus 2 value of c. Then 9 minus 4 into 2, that is 8. Minus is multiplication of minus is plus. Then 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Values of b square minus 4ac is equal to 17. The value of x is equal to, write the formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here we write as minus value of b is minus 3 plus minus under root 17 upon 2 into 1 is equal to minus plus हो जाएगा 3 plus minus 17 upon 2. Then we get here values of x as 3 plus under root 17 upon 2, or 3 minus under root 17 upon 2. x is equal to पुट दो वैल्यू हमें मिल जाएगी. रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस आर 3 plus under root 17 upon 2, and second is 3 minus under root 17 upon 2.